Prions are viruses that have only one protein code and no nucleic acid, 2 core of nucleic acid, 3 lipoprotein code, 4 few genes. Right answer is 1 protein code and no nucleic acid. Who crystallized and isolated viruses for the first time? A. W. M. Stanley, B. K. M. Smith, C. D. Ivanovsky, D. F. C. Borden. Right answer is A. W. M. Stanley. A virus differs from bacterium as it contains 1. E cell wall, 2. cytosol, 3. DNA as genetic material, 4. DNA or RNA as genetic material with no ribosome. Right answer is 4. DNA or RNA as genetic material with no ribosome. Potato leaf roll and papaya leaf curl are due to 1. Mycoplasma, 2. virus, 3. bacteria, 4. viroids. Right answer is 2. virus. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy disease is related to which human disease? 1. Kala-Azar, 2. Parkinson's disease, 3. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, 4. None of the above. Right answer is 3. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Viruses are not affected by antibiotics because 1. They have no metabolism of their own, 2. They have no cytoplasm and genetic material, 3. They are non-living entities, 4. They are obligate superparasites. Right answer is 4. They are obligate superparasites. Select the pair that consists of viral disease. A. Mumps and smallpox, B. herpes and influenza, C. pneumonia and syphilis, D. both A and B. Right answer is D. both A and B. Smallest free-living organism is 1. virus, 2. viroid, 3. mycoplasma, 4. prions. Right answer is 3. mycoplasma. Which of the following parasites is non-living outside the host but becomes living or on entering it? 1. virus, 2. bacteria, 3. PPLO, 4. none of this. Right answer is 1. virus. The protein coat of virus is called 1. prion, 2. capsomeres, 3. capsid, 4. mantle or envelope. Right answer is 3. capsid. All viruses are essentially made up of 1. RNA plus proteins, 2. RNA or DNA plus proteins, 3. RNA plus non-histone proteins, 4. nucleic acid and proteins. Right answer is 2. RNA or DNA plus proteins. Association between microbiome and phycobiome are found in A. mycorrhiza, B. root, C. lichens, D. BGA. Right answer is C. lichens. The term virus was given by 1. Pasteur, 2. Beijerinck, 3. Eccles, 4. Mayer. Right answer is 1. Pasteur. Naked cytoplasm, multinucleated and saprophytic are the characteristic of A. monerans, B. protists, C. fungi, D. slime molds. Right answer is D. slime molds. Bacteriophage is 1. killer of virus, 2. killer of bacteria, 3. killer of monerans, 4. eater of bacteria. Right answer is 3. killer of monerans. An enzyme found at the tip of tail of bacteriophages. 1. protease, 2. lysozyme, 3. replicase, 4. reverse transcriptase. Right answer is 2. lysozyme. Which of the following is not a virus? 1. cyanophage, 2. T phage, 3. E. coli, 4. 5 into 174. Right answer is 3. E. coli. Who is considered to be the father of virology? 1. Ivanovsky, 2. Stanley, 3. Beijerinck, 4. Pasteur. Right answer is 2. Stanley. Which one is not a viral disease of animals? 1. Rannicate, 2. foot and mouth disease, 3. distemper, 4. psittacosis. Right answer is 4. psittacosis. RNA particles causing symptoms like that of a viral disease are known as 1. virion, 2. phages, 3. viroids, 4. viruses. Right answer is 3. viroids. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by 1. virus, 2. viroid, 3. prion, 4. satellite virus. Right answer is 2. viroid. Dog distemper is a disease carried by a 1 bacterium, 2 viroid, 3 prion, 4 virus. Right answer is 4 virus. Which of the following is plant viral disease? 1 tristeza, root rot of citrus, 2 banana bungee top, 3 yellow vein mosaic of bindi, 4 all of the above. Right answer is 4 all of the above. What is absent in virus? 1 DNA, 2 RNA, 3 proteins and enzymes, 4 cytoplasm and membranes. Right answer is 4 cytoplasm and membranes. Term bacteriophage was coined by 1 D. Hurley, 2 Twott, 3 Stanley, 4 Ivanovsky. Right answer is 1 D. Hurley. Chemically, viruses are 1 carbohydrates, 2 glycoproteins, 3 lipopolysaccharides, 4 nucleoproteins. Right answer is 4 nucleoproteins. AIDS was first reported in 1 Russia, 2 India, 3 Bangladesh, 4 USA. Right answer is 4 USA. All viruses are entirely 1 obligate parasites, 2 obligate saprophyte, 3 facultative parasites, 4 non-livings. Right answer is 1 obligate parasites. Contagium vivum fluidum was proposed by A. D.J. Ivanovsky, B. M.W. Beijernik, C. Stanley, D. Robert Hooke. Right answer is B. M.W. Beijernik. Select the incorrect statement. A. Most plant viruses are RNA viruses. B. Bacteriophages possess double-stranded DNA. C. Virus having an arthropod as vector is called as arbovirus. D. Prions possess only nucleoid and no proteins. Right answer is D. Prions possess only nucleoid and no proteins.